All right, if you're gonna be setting up your prints on your heat press, this is a perfect ruler to use. There is a neckline, and basically when you set up your shirt to print, we're gonna move this a little bit off a little bit so you can see the neck and how much space we have. So you basically have to set up your print where the neckline is at. All right, so if you want to center it, you will center your object in here, but because we have a chest, side chest piece, we're going to actually set this little bear here. You guys can see that. We're going to center him in the 3. That's where I want him to be, right underneath the neckline. Very simple. We're going to heat press it, and we're going to see how it comes out. So let's go ahead and do that. And that's where we want it. So we remove the ruler. Put the wax paper either way. Push it down now. Let's see. Go ahead and remove it. Oh, look how. So we got it finished. We complete it. We put wax paper to finish it out. And look how beautiful the print came out.